art students regularly perform color studies to learn how colors interact with each other. They learn things like hue, value, saturation, temperature, and they improve their skills in creating mood, emotion, atmosphere, and depth in their work. These color studies also help students develop their own unique color palette and style. And for these reasons, color study is equally important in fashion. So today we are going to do a fashion color study of the color Mocha Brown, both in isolation and with other colors, to see how it interacts with each other and creates depth, emotion, mood, atmosphere. So starting with a simple Mocha Brown dress, I am pairing it with a pair of cork wedge heels that have just a little bit of texture to it. Mocha Brown is a luxurious and versatile color. It has rich and warm hues that exude sophistication and elegance. Although this simple sleeveless V-neck dress presents Mocha Brown in isolation, I've added an inexpensive handbag, a designer-looking handbag, because it's actually from Amazon and not that expensive, that incorporates both brown and beige. Just one example of how brown, Mocha Brown that is, looks in isolation with a slight color contrast applied to it. For the next outfit, let's take a look at how brown interacts with beige. Now the beige pants that I'm wearing here, they look solid on the screen, but they actually have a very, very faint print to them that makes it look more like a texture than a print. Also, as a sizing note, I'm barely 5'1" and generally wear 4 petite. These are 4 petite in a curvy fit rather than a regular fit because these are slim fit. I bought both the regular fit and the curvy fit, and the curvy fit was just a better option for me. When paired with beige, Mocha Brown creates a balanced and cohesive look that is perfect for both formal and casual occasions. The combination of these two neutral tones creates a timeless and classic aesthetic that never goes out of style. And one of the aspects of a fashion color study is to see what sort of mood this evokes. And this outfit brings to mind European sophistication, the French Riviera, summertime, sun-kissed skin tones. You'll notice that I am wearing a little bit of gold jewelry here and just a bracelet and some earrings. And it just elevates this look, very polished and very sophisticated, very European. Now let's swap out these pants for a mocha satin slip skirt to create a monochromatic look. Something to consider during a fashion color study is what the color that's understudy can be substituted for. So I think Mocha Brown, especially in summer, is a great alternative or substitute for traditional black or navy. While black and navy are classic and timeless, Mocha Brown offers a fresh and modern twist that will elevate the outfit. So whether you're looking to add a touch of sophistication to maybe your work wardrobe, or make a statement at a special event, which this outfit will certainly do, Mocha brown is a versatile and stylish choice, very chic. Remember those Amazon yoga pants under $35 that I showed you? Yes, we are going to pair this one shoulder blouse with yoga pants. And look how sophisticated and elegant this outfit turns out. So one of the things to consider during a fashion color study is various shades of the color. Now we're studying mocha brown here, but in terms of beiges, we've already established that beige pairs well with mocha brown. This is a warmer hue of mocha brown of beige that I paired with the mocha brown blouse. So where the pants in the previous outfit were a lighter, cooler beige, this is more of a warmer look. This ended up being one of my favorite looks from the entire color study here. Very elegant, a summer night out, fancy dinner, outdoor music. I love this look for those outings. Here I'm going to show you this pairing in two different ways. The satin slip dress by itself and then paired with the linen blend blazer. I'm not totally comfortable at 50 years old wearing a spaghetti strap dress, especially a satin slip dress, but I do love how elegant this looks. I love how the shine of the satin dress just elevates it and add a touch of elegance. And with this outfit, and with many of these outfits today, I'm just wearing a pair of nude strappy heels as to not to detract from the rest of the outfit. One of the ways you can elongate your look is to match your shoes to your skin tone, and I do have a video on that from a couple of months ago. And now I'm going to add the linen blazer, and I'm much more comfortable wearing the dress this way. Notice how I have taken our color study color of mocha brown. We've established that mocha brown pairs nicely with light beige. And now I've added texture, and I've mixed texture to create dimension and interest to the outfit. So we have the shiny and smooth satin slip dress, silk slip dress, paired with the slightly bumpy fabric of the blazer. And a blazer just instantly elevates almost any look. So this is definitely an elegant and elevated outfit for an evening out. This would be great to wear to a Broadway show, to a play, to the symphony, certainly to a nice dinner. And now I'm going to study a slightly different shade of mocha brown. This is a lighter, warmer shade of mocha, where I've been showing a darker, cooler shade in all of the previous outfits. It still pairs nicely with the light beige. And again, no tucking required on this shirt, which makes me love it. So if you have a little extra around the midsection, especially in the midlife years, this is a really good option from Amazon, so under $40. And as I said before about these pants, there is a very faint print on them that looks more like a texture than a print, and it just adds a little bit of dimension to the outfit. This is a great office outfit or lunch outfit, but a good example of a warmer mocha color. And while mocha brown can be paired with white and cream, I didn't show those colors today. But I do want to show you how it pairs with black. Now, black draws the eye in. In art, we say that black adds weight to a painting, and that's simply because it draws the eye in. When I say it creates weight, I don't want to say that in fashion it creates weight, but it definitely draws the eye in. I actually bought this outfit to wear in my home in the Florida Keys this year, but it was a little too chilly to wear it this year. I definitely like this outfit for resort wear, and I love how the brown seagrass tote adds texture to the outfit as well. Casual yet polished and sophisticated. Until we meet again, my friends.